Je l'ai uploadé. Oh, on va pouvoir le regarder sur la télé. Hein? C'est ça que je vais faire?
Ok.
Ah, mais il va falloir que je reste ici. On a switché à chaque fois. Toi, t'es où, là?
Non, tu restes sur moi. C'est pas grave, c'est au changement de round.
Ok, comme ça, on l'entend pas.
Ben, tu peux laisser le premier.
Ah, non, je fais le premier.
Le premier round, il y a ça le premier.
Oh, oui, je sais.
Mais lui, on peut l'entendre.
Je vais revenir le.
C'est quand je suis à tort que ça a changé. Mais sinon, on peut l'entendre. Laissez speaker.
Thanks off. You always help me with the pressure.
The battle starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1! All you need to do is capture the mission area. Got it?
Sounds easy. Which means it's probably not, right?
You're about to find out.
You know, I do have this very skimpy meat.
I am Groot! I am Groot!
There they are. Look up behind you. Looks like the mission area is yours to capture now. You better stop talking and start fighting.
You dish it out. I can.
The mission area is yours.
Groot!
I suck.
I am Groot! I am Groot! I am Groot!
Double KO. That's 3.
Ice cheese.
Control lost.
Another senseless battle over.
Need some help. A nice deep freeze. Pick up behind you.
Extermination!
You are nothing. Control C's.
Look who just showed up. I'm silver.
Use how you're free. Mission area. Keep going. Grand finale. Us against the world. I hurt. Hold still. I'm trying to help. I suck.
Don't mess with the amazing Spider-Man!
The only one. Control lost.
We are Groot!
Your team's capture progress has passed the halfway point.
Look who's here.
Pick up your help. So cold. You are nothing!
I am Groot!
Still, I'm trying to help.
I am...
Pick
As long as I am worthy, I will raise Mjolnir in defense of what is right.
Look who's here.
I like the cold.
Fight their control.
It's the grand finale!
My power grows!
Looks like the mission area is yours to capture now.
Don't mess with the amazing Spider-Man!
Slow down!
Be strong together. Double KO! They captured the mission area!
That's how it's done.
I put you on ice.
My power!
A nice deep freeze.
God!
Can't catch me.
Look who's here.
Behold the God of Thunder!
Turn around, quick.
Extermination!
Nice deep freeze.
We must not yield.
So close. Your team's capture progress is past the halfway point. Control seize!
My need was great.
Again!
You belong to me!
A nice deep freeze.
The enemy is here.
Assemble!
Awaken the rage of thunder.
Ice up. That one hurts.
We fight
Control
well together.
lost.
I am barely wounded. We have triumphed, friends.
You need me. Can't catch me. Strong together. They've almost got it.
Don't mess with the amazing Spider-Man!
My power grows. Extermination! Awaken the rage of thunder. Plus with the stretch.
Control seize.
Slow down. Behold the God of Thunder!
Keep going. A nice deep freeze.
I am Thor Odinson, God of Thunder.
Need some help. I like the cold. The area's almost yours.
Who's here?
Battle Fury burn.
Turn around, you fool!
Grand finale. "30 seconds before you attack. Get ready."
I hope you're feeling worthy today, Goldilocks. We've got our work cut out for us.
Mjolnir brings the wrath of the Odin Force to our enemies.
Now that's how you start a battle.
The battle starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All you need to do is capture the mission area.
Giant robots?
Got it?
Huh. Typical Hydra.
My powers, practically infinite. Slightly less so on Midgard.
I don't think that's the weapon.
I suck.
I dare not imagine what Hydra would do to more people.
I'm hurt.
Lightning fight!
Looks like the mission area is
Don't
yours
mess
to
with the
capture now.
amazing.
Behold the god of
Mission area!
lightning can fight! Twas but a stretch. Slow down! Fury burn! Laid low by lightning!
You dish it out. I can take it.
Extermination!
Us against the world.
Your team's capture progress has passed the halfway point.
She may be my sword, and we have need.
You are nothing!
My power grows. Awaken the rage of battle.
An opportunity for combat.
Control C!
What battle can continue without Thor?
A nice deep freeze.
Lightning can fight. Awaken
Assemble!
Twas but a stretch.
Don't mess with the amazing Spider-Man!
They're so sparkly! Double KO! Control lost!
Raise a toast in celebration.
They've almost got it!
Enemies, perfect.
Strong together! I suck!
Behold the god of thunder!
You belong to me!
We'll have to keep fighting until we have a winner!
Extermination! We fight well. Again!
area.
What
Keep
battle
going.
can continue without Thor? My power! The wrath of Asgard!
Look up behind you.
Don't mess with the amazing Spider-Man!
Extermination! I am very worried. Run away home, little spider. Slow down.
Assemble!
I need some help. The area's almost yours.
Slow down. The wrath of Asgard! Behold the god of thunder! My power grows. You have need of my strength.
You'll have to keep fighting until we have a winner. Control lost.
I am barely
Seeing
worried.
stars?
That's how it's done.